Right from there we access a designated account. Basically does the RDP, so we may call this more of a rebound server. Right, once I'm landing there, I just launch and do a MSTSC to one admin server. So from that server again you are doing another server, correct? Okay, right from there, because only from that IP we can access the internal servers, or else we can't do that. That's why, right. So from there, the admin server, we again launch the PvWA to access any of the Linux or maybe Windows accounts which are onboarded. Okay, wait. So, from the ADM server again, you will launch the Chrome browser, and it's the Chrome browser. You will open that IP address or that URL, and you will log into that portal, and there you can see all the accounts which were onboarded to Cyberark. Correct this much. It is too complicated, but that's how the architectural design is, because they don't want that to be provisioned directly from the rebound server. Okay, oh, those Windows and Linux servers were in which data center? Luxembourg itself. Luxembourg itself might be any security policy like. It is basically a security regulations only, nothing more than that. See, if we would have accessed the servers directly from this RDP, right, it would have cut down the need of one more remote server, and but in day means network admins can configure directly to Bangalore network also. But they didn't do means due to some regulation policy. Yeah, they don't want to do that. It's not a technological limitation, it's just the regulation need. Okay,